Have you ever seen a line of men ready for battle? Their standards caught by the morning breeze? Have you ever smelled the fresh earth being churned by the struggle of frightened horses and desperate men? Have you ever tasted the sweet sweat of victory that clings to a young knight's brow after the day is won? Have you ever felt the piercing bite of a long-nosed arrow in your breast? If you have, that's actually kind of weird. But now, with the new medieval weapons sound effects library, you can hear them. Recording medieval weapon sounds has a lot of factors involved. This one. Which bows? How many arrows? Is there a difference between a single axe or a double axe? If a bolt is loose from a crossbow and no one is there to receive it, does it still make a sound? There are endless options as to which weapons to use and how to record them perfectly. Okay guys, let me show you how it's done. Maybe another day. In the end,
We're ready to test bows.
thank you. This is gonna need a longer string and can I have it in green? Thanks. In the end, all that matters is that these sounds are going to be superb. Horse! Enjoy! Yeah!